Let's have a look at this kitting card. It's not the most of complicated builds, but yet is very efficient at what it does. And what it does is that it provides the exact amount of parts needed for a particular product to be built. So why not go ahead and take advantage of including kitting cards in your assembly line? We understand that in the assembly line, the space and the pace is of the utmost importance. So having a kitting card that could be customized to do exactly what it needs to do, which is provide the individual with the exact amount of parts to have that product built, is just going to make that assembly line as efficient as possible. You can always customize this, having multiple levels, adding foam, whichever of the way that you decide to do so. The idea here is that you're able to really determine the size, the shape of this structure in order to be as efficient as possible.